So, Ashay, first of all, a warm welcome to Glitz Vision USA. And
Thank you. Yeah.
yeah, tell me one thing. I know you are from theater background. You have done a lot of theater,
Yes.
and now you are
Yeah.
doing a television show. Although दोनों में ही acting करनी पड़ती है, but it's a both different world. So, कैसा रहा ये सफर theater से लेके television तक?
सफर तो ऐसा रहा कि I started with theater. I hail from boarding schools. I was very active on stage. So since my school days, I'm doing theater. So now when I came to Mumbai to pursue my graduation, I was active here also, represented my school and university in a lot of different platforms, theater platforms. So I think in my first year, second semester, I started doing it professionally, like with different theater groups outside my school repertoire. So that was, I started with Ekjut Theatre Company. I performed with Thespo and other amateur theatre groups. So post my graduation, I started auditioning. So the first show that happened to me was Pyar Ke Papad. I'm one show old. This is my second show.
Yeah.
See, as an actor, I think, medium changes, but acting remains the same. So it's just about the tonality and how you can just adjust to a medium. That is about it. So yeah,
Right.
that's how my journey has been. And yeah.
Okay, so tell me something about how did you got approached for this role? You there was an audition or somebody recommended you? How was the process?
Goodness, don't ask me about the audition because I think I auditioned for what 8-9 times.
Okay,
और
for this
Anjum, our
character.
producer and the writer, yeah, for character
Oh.
Sarang क्योंकि I when I got the call from our producer and writer Anjum, so at that point of time she was writing it. Though that this concept was incepted and they knew that this is how we're gonna approach it, but at the same time my character and everybody's character was in a very transitioning phase where they were writing, still exploring about the character and how it is, what it is, what's their background, so everything. So when I met her, she gave me a good brief about Sarangdhar, where he's coming, what it is world, and the small nuances and what she's thinking about the character. And then she said ki do it's an open house, come, perform, deliver as you think, as you interpret Sarangdhar as. So this is my backstory. This is how I have created a world for Sarangdhar. Baki tumhare par hai. So I came, I auditioned. There was one monologue thing, and then the scene happened. Then I had chemistry tests, screen tests with Sukirti. So yeah, it was a really good sessions of auditions. Jahan pe, even every post successive audition, I used to explore a new thing about the character. And whenever I used to add something, she used to be very happy about it. Ki, oh, now this is something that I can add it to Sarangdhar's character. So yeah, that's how we explored. Like we both explored. So yeah, that's how this Sarangdhar and Story 9 Months Ki happened to me.
Right. Okay, tell me something about your character, how similar it is, if there is anything which is similar, and what is the one challenging part of this character?
See, challenging part, I'll tell you, is see, there's very thin line when you can do something over and maybe you just maintain the decorum and the dignity and the heaviness of the character and do it. So Sarangdhar is somebody who speaks his mind, or whatever comes to his mind, whatever is there in his heart, he speaks it. You can take him on his face value. He is that genuine. तो क्या हो जाता है जब आप बहुत बोलते हैं, बहुत एक्सप्रेसिव होते हैं, तो कई बार ज्यादा एक्सप्रेशंस और व्हाट आई शुड से एग्जैजरेटेड एक्सप्रेशंस के भी वो थोड़े चांसेस होते हैं. So that is something where I really had to work. It should look very natural, it should look very approachable, and somebody who everybody can relate to. क्योंकि ये जिस बैकग्राउंड से आ रहा है, जहां से आ रहा है, इसका जो वर्ल्ड है वो बहुत लोग जानते हैं और देखे हुए हैं. सेकेंडली लैंग्वेज. सो मथुरा और वो पूरा यूपी बुंदेलखंडी बघेलखंडी जो बेल्ट है, उसमें हर कुछ किलोमीटर्स के बाद कुछ फ्लेवर चेंज होते हैं. सो उस फ्लेवर को एकदम सही तरीके से पकड़ना, एंड फॉर दैट वी हैड फ्यू मास्टर क्लासेस आल्सो. People from NST and different good people came to guide us. to help us through this process. And what was the other question? I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Similarities,
how
yes,
similar?
between
Yeah.
Asha and Saranga. So yeah, even I'm energetic. I also see, this is a very common generalized feeling that you really want people around you to be happy. And even I'm somebody who want people smiling, reciprocating to what you feel, how you feel, and just a very good ambience and an environment to work in. So that's what I also try and create around me.
Okay.
So yeah, that's a very big similarity between me and Saranga.
Okay. Tell me, how was it working? I mean, how is it working with Sukriti? Because, and when you got to know that she is going to be the female lead, of course she is. She's having a very good experience when it comes to television and acting. Yeah. So were you nervous, and were you like, what was your initial reaction when you started working with her?
I was happy. I was surprised. I'm like, whoa, finally got an opportunity to work with a queen now again. She comes from a decade-old experience. She's somebody who has done hit shows, famous shows. So obviously that counts. And every day for me is a new learning experience. She's somebody who's well-rehearsed, well-prepared, timed actor on set. And yeah, it's really a good experience. And when I met her first, so I said, अरे मैंने देखा है आपको, हमने देखा मैम, मतलब ये जो रिएक्शन नहीं होता कि अरे हमारे घर वाले भी देखे हैं, even we have seen you working. And yeah, so that was again a very good moment for me, where I met somebody who I've seen it on TV and doing so good in her life. So finally I know I work with her on a daily basis. So it's a new learning experience. And yeah, I try कि जितना हो सके सुकृति मैडम से हम सीख लें.
Okay, tell me something. There's a few questions remaining since it's a love story. Okay, as an actors, whether it's you or Sukriti, were there any sessions, to polish your chemistry or anything like that, or you have totally left on the way the writers are writing these characters and the scenes?
Again, when we were finalized, before that, there's this thing called screen test and chemistry test that happens between two characters, just to see how they look together, how they perform together, how they exchange their energies and how they reciprocate to each other. So that's what we did. We had a good screen test and chemistry test. We performed really, like Anjum said, ki bahut achhe lag rahe ho tum log, and you performed really good. So yeah, that was it. That was the initial phase. And then when we were on board, yes, definitely people are there, creatives are there, writers and everybody, director is there, our captain who just makes sure that everything is coming across really well. But now that we are performing, now we know the skin of our characters, we are on flow. So we know how it is, how the flow it is. And yeah, so we have a good equation, like me and Sukriti. So it becomes easy for... see, when two actors and co-actors have a good relation, and so it becomes easy, your work becomes easy.
Right.
That's what's happening with us. So it becomes fizzy for us. Like we come on set, we read it, we perform it, rehearse it, and then we just go.
Yeah. Okay. Tell me, what's your take on IVF, because it's an integral part of your show. Okay. So tell me, as an individual, what's your take on IVF?
It's a blessing. This is something which has blessed people, their motherhood, their fatherhood, and that whole experience. Though it is not, see, it's just about the awareness. People are really not that aware and acceptable about this new thing, or it's not a new thing. It's been there. It's just that through our medium or through our show, we are making people aware, or we are just coming across as a show जो कि नया concept के साथ एक IVF को भी लोगों तक पहुंचा रहा है. तो मेरे ख्याल से यार इससे अच्छी चीज और क्या हो सकती है. मतलब imagine if somebody wants to be a single mother, or if she or he she hasn't had that good experience in her life, and she wants to go ahead and she wants to experience that. So yeah, it's a blessing, and this is something which is really good. There's something which everybody should support. There's something which everybody should accept and just go ahead with it. It's a beautiful thing.
Right. Okay. I'll just ask last three questions. TV is an industry where we all know that female characters are always on the forefront, on the limelight. There are very rare instances when a male character gets, those type of characters. Of course, you have been very lucky. This show has a place for every character. But tell me something. What about, other type of show? Will you be continuing doing this type of shows, or will you also be part of a daily soap or a daily drama?
See, I'm open to work. I'm an actor. I just want people to give me work. I just want them to see how I perform and give me an opportunity to audition for them. When it comes to TV medium, or as you said, female protagonists are the main pillars of the show. They are the main, like, story revolves around them. Again, it is, see, it comes with the writing. Anjum has written our characters so good that we have our different worlds, we have our own intensity, we have our own standing. Again, Sarangdhar and the previous show, Omkar's character, I have been blessed क्योंकि ओमकार का जो कैरेक्टर था उसमें भी प्यार के पापड़ was a banter between Omkar and his father-in-law, where he just makes sure कि वो उनके अपने फादर-in-law को मना सके शादी के लिए. उसमें भी बहुत ही credible role था जहाँ पे story really revolved around me or around other characters. Again, यहाँ पे भी I've been blessed with a very good character. So yeah, it's about the writing, and it's about how you see a character and how you want it to be pitched. Second, thirdly, your question, whether I want to be on the TV space, or it's about the opportunity. Whatever I'll get, and if I think that I'm good enough to do that, and if my producers or writers or directors, they think that I can be that character, so yeah, I'm happy and I'll do it.
Okay. Tell me something that, of course, now you are involved in television. Do you miss theater, or can we see doing your theater plays? Yeah.
I really do, because this is TV demands for a lot of discipline, because on a daily basis you're shooting, you're coming on set, you're meeting the same people, so you need to be there on your toes कि आप daily आके shoot कर सकें. You have to make sure that you look good, you have to make sure that you eat healthy, so that everything comes across really well. तो हाँ, अभी तो time सच में नहीं मिल रहा है, but someday, and I really hope कि I own a theater company and I want to produce and I want to direct, because college में I directed also, एक दो play हम किया है मैंने direct. So yeah, that's a space where you directly feel the energy of your audience coming to you. You just be there. It's a one take thing, so it's altogether a different feeling.
Yeah,
being
sure.
on stage and performing for the live audience.
Sure. Okay. And as my last question to you is, every actor has a different type of expectations with each of his or her show. When it comes to this show, what is your expectation as an actor when it comes to this show?
As an actor, my expectation is people watch me, people watch our show. They take it the way we want them to take it. We entertain them. We become their lovable characters is what we expect as actors. So yeah, that's what. And we really want people to come and see this. Give us a chance. Give us that half an hour of yours and see if we can just hook you up and the storyline and whatever our performances, you like it. So at least give us a chance. Come see us and let us entertain you.
Right. Okay. And lastly, any message to the fans and the viewers of Glitz Vision USA? And I'm sure you would have received a lot of compliments for your show from your family or from your friends. Tell me one compliment which you really, really liked and it is closest to your heart.
See, one thing that I've received is somebody who stopped writing became so close to my character that I don't know if he or she, that person started writing again. And that person really thanked me, saying ki it's you, it's the way you recite, it's the way you perform, that I really want to be there. I want to write and I want to perform. I want to recite my own poems. I want people to know that yes, I am a writer and I know that I can write.
Right.
So yeah, that's something that that was really close. Yeah, that is something very personal. Yeah, आपकी वजह से you have motivated me, pushed me to write again, and So yeah, that was a really good compliment that I got.
Right, that's lovely. And now on this note, any message to your fans and the viewers of your show?
Guys, come. We are there on Sony Live and Sony TV at 10:30. Come watch us. Give your blessings. At least वो आधा घंटा दीजिए हमें ताकि हम आपको entertain कर सकें, हम आपको अपना बना सकें. So give us that chance and please see our show. It's a beautiful show made with a lot of effort, a lot of good writing. Everything is new. Everything is well written, well executed. So yeah, come see.
Right. Okay, so I'm sure the show will do wonders. The show will do great. And thank you so much for the interview and all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
No
Bye-bye.
problem. Take care. Bye.
Hi, my name is Varun Badula,
Hi, I'm Anjali Tatrari.
and you are watching us on Glades Vision USA.